Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the massive love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'll be quick to share with you wonders the normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. Now, there is something that I said before. I say, not how far, but how well. You go, they do what you they do. You go, they show for the people. If you are sure about yourself what you are doing, you no go dey social media dey clap hand like woman. Man go pull hand for waist dey clap hand, later you say you wan give people Biafra, stay there be deceiving yourself. You might get an history that for a very long time you are fighting for the freedom of Biafra. Now the big question is, are you sincere with yourself? Are you truthful? What is the role people have in their life towards you? Now, I want you to know that, hey, not be cho. Somebody that is doing something, a role model to the people, someone that people look up to. You know they do cho. Now, let us listen to the Biafran Surrogate State Country Meeting. On the 15th day of April 2025, the Deputy Prime Minister, COS of the United States of Biafra, held an executive meeting at the state country level with the head of state countries, including the governors, secretaries of state, the secretaries of defense, and some other members of the cabinet. The aim of this meeting was to address the security situation at the country level, which is in line with the government efforts in countering terrorism and invasion by the Nigeria-sponsored military, disguised as Fulani bandits, and the occupying Nigerian terrorist force. The Deputy Prime Minister emphasized on the urgent need to citizens to immediately report to the Biafra local authorities on any suspicious move by their invaders. The Deputy Prime Minister reminded the head of the state countries of their responsibility in ensuring that security measures are well implemented to the grassroots of their various countries. The head of the state countries gave an update on the situation report of their various countries. You know that automatically she is letting you to know that there are lots of things that have been put in place. You know, so many people will say that the time of PM, if you do anything, you go put am for social media. Nothing is happening. Nobody knows something is happening. I tell them, I say, person when they do something, you know they do cho. And I also said, the time that they called Simon Ekpa for questioning, a lot of people said, oh, we now understand that the problem Simon Ekpa is having, he would have not been putting all those things on air. Oh, because he's putting all those things on social media. That is why. All those problems that are happening, all those things, he's putting them on social media. That is why. And I said, I look and I watch everything and I said, oh, no wonder. That means Dr. Ngozi, the Biafra surrogate, she is just being careful because we learn from our mistakes. Now that you have bring it upon yourself and said, oh, Simon Ekpa would have not been putting all these things on her. Like time without number, a lot of people have said before now that why will the Biafra Prime Minister putting all those things on her? But a lot of people, we thought, he's doing the right thing. Until he was called out for questioning and they tried to use those things against him. That is when a lot of people say, oh, okay, we are learning every day. That means we don't supposed to put those things on her. And it's that time for Dr. Ngozi. You people want her to put those things. The same thing you people corrected. The same error you corrected and you said, you people said, it's not good to put those things on her. It's not good for them to be putting all those things that are bringing problem. They are the cause of the problem because those things trigger people. Emotion take place. A lot of people have different views to those things they put out there that they should be very careful. And some people are still dragging her that, oh, you are not doing anything, you are not doing anything. And if she start putting all those things, the same people that praised you yesterday, they are still the same people that will talk down at you. They will push you, they will be clapping for you. Grind on, go ahead, you are getting it right. You put all your effort there, and at the end of the day, the thing is now coming back, falling on you, because these people you are seeing, some of them, they are not ready to stand for you. They are not even ready to speak for you. In fact, they will even tell them, now this person, they do, I'm not going to carry and come out. Because with what I have witnessed, with what I have seen them do, they are the same people that we say, now this one, this our brother, let's do it like this. That was when they called Simon Ekpa for questioning, and a lot of people were singing, they were happy, they were jubilating. Oh, finally, we told you. And I made a video, I said, you all should be ashamed of yourself. Tomorrow you said you need freedom. Nnamdi Kanu is where he is today because he said they are suffering my people. Do you think that Simon Ekpa is not where to do? Do you think that if Simon Ekpa is not talking about Biafra or do or shining this agitation replacing Nnamdi Kanu, do you think he will suffer? He have everything. He has made his name, but what happened? He do this because of his people. And the same people that he do this thing for said they should crucify him. And I said, why? Don't you say you need freedom? So why is it that the type of freedom Simon Ekpa is now fighting is different from your own? And a lot of people also make that point. Say, no, you people, they should stop putting those things on air. Let's learn from the mistake of our prime minister. Let's improve. Let's not do it this way. If this way is making them to take us out one after the other, then let's trade with caution. And people say, no, you can't do that. You have to come out. Dr. Ngozi, come out. Come and put all those things. Be letting us to be seen. My brother, you not get platform. My sister, you not get platform. Everybody not get voice. You don't have mouth. Bring out your mouth. Or to open platform is very easy. Open it and start putting all those things there. Yes, start putting all those things there. People will hail you. People will encourage you. The way you want to fight it, fight it. Allow others to fight the way they want to fight their own. On Artise for Nigeria, there are people talking about Biafra that lives in Nigeria. Yes, there are people talking about Biafra that lives in Nigeria. Some of the videos that we put out there are people living in Nigeria. So they are there trending with caution. Not everything they will say, not everything they will bring out, because they know where they're there. So that is how some people are fighting this Biafra in a way that they know that with this, my voice will be heard. With this, I can do something. Allow people to fight it the way they want to fight it. You yourself, fight your own. Fight your own. I see a lot of people dragging Dr. Ngozi, dragging her. Oh, my brother, my sister, my friend. Do your own. We still want to clap for you. We still want to share your videos. Do your own. Anyways, I really want you to listen to this word of wisdom. Not how far, but how well. Oh, I've been eating with Simon Ekpa. I've been drinking Coke and Fanta with Simon Ekpa. Does not make you truthful. You might be doing all those things out of hypocrites. Yes, they say when breeze blow, fowl nyash go open. And a lot of people nash it don't open to say what they are fighting for is different. You can't say you are fighting for freedom and you are putting your brother or your sister in bondage. You can't say you are fighting for freedom and you are saying this is not my brother because you know something happened to him or her. You say no, it's not my brother. And as I said before, I will keep on knocking the truth. The same thing they talk when there was Simon Ekpa, they were happy, they were jubilating. Say, finally, we told him. I still did this my platform to tell Ona, say, then you don't know what you are fighting about. If you rejoice when your brother or your sister is not getting it right, is in problem, is in danger, you should be ashamed of yourself. Now, the big question is, every day they tell us, Dr. Ngozi, she's working with the federal government of Nigeria. I got dey ask one question. Is Simon Ekpa not aware of all this? This is going to be a topic for another day. Let me stop here. But remember that this my question, I must ask it. Where was Simon Ekpa when all this was going on? When he came, or when she came, sorry to say, does that mean that there is no underground checkup? You people didn't do checkup about her before giving her the position you give to her? Because I see one thing when they write say Dr. Ngozi have position even before she was given the COS. You see her? She hold position even before she was given the chief of staff. So make I stop there. I go come knack the name. So una go know how hypocrite dey work. When Simon Ekpa dey there, we not hear anything, no. As Simon Ekpa comot automatically, una know say na government agency. Una never start. Una never start. Continue. Una never start. I go ask una this question. Where Simon Ekpa dey? Why una not bring all this exposition? Why una not do underground check for Dr. Ngozi Orabweze? She hold position. In fact, I will come back again with this topic. I don't vex. Please, you people should do well to share this video, okay? Share this video, let it go viral, because it's a question I ask. Where una dey when Simon Ekpa dey give Dr. Ngozi position even before she hold the office of the chief of staff? Where una dey? Why una not do the underground check now? Hey, omo, see, things dey happen. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst, and I will come to update you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.